Okay, in the last session, can anyone remember what things we have completed in the last session? Any recap for the last session, please?
I think we have gone through COE configuration, HR services category, HR template, and HR record producer. This topic we have discussed, and the table name called HR core case payroll. That detail. HR bulk case transfer.
I think the last session we have seen about ESC portal alone, right?
ESC portal.
So, did you try to remember about that ESC portal? Something else? What are the how we added those contents and also the topic details?
Yes, Percy. Like we have to install one taxonomy plugin so that we'll get all HR details there. And we can add new taxonomies and like we can edit there or.
Okay. Today we will be learning about HR group, HR roles. Okay. So just open everyone your PDI. Now, I think everybody have your PDI ready. I'm going to the group set first. So to find the HR group, in the name prefix, I will be having HR. Okay. So here I have HR admin, and all other HRSD benefit and table related stuffs, and the support groups with the agent tier, regular group and skills. So tier 3 in the sense, it will contain tier 1 in the sense, they are group for the normal HR agents. Tier 2 in the sense, they are with more skills, HR department people with more skills. Tier 3 in the sense, there we will be having HR manager, approvers, and administrators people we will be having. The tables also we have. Here, HR admin group for managing HR apps via delegated. So if you want to delegate your HR admin to some other team, then you have to add that particular person in this HR admin group. And this is the base group, which will be the parent for all other groups. See?
So if we assign only single HR group, all associated groups will be attached, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But we won't do that, right? Like some parent group and all, we don't do. Either we have to do with admin or tier 1 group, tier 2 group, kind of stuff. So everywhere, if you do this HR group in the sense, always create with the prefix called HR. Okay. HR admin has only one role. SN underscore core underscore, sorry, SN underscore HR underscore core underscore admin role. Okay. If I open this role in the sense, you could see all other HR detail within this one. So HR admin is like a very important role. This particular group. This HR has a basic role, group wise, if you see. Okay, they can manage all HR cases and tasks. That is the real meaning of this one, which means it is kind of an like how the case table is the parent table and all other table as a child table. Same wise, this particular HR will be working. Okay. HR benefits. If you see, you will be having group and skill alone. HR skill and HR benefit skill. Same lies if you go for employee relationship also. You will be having employee relations as a skill. The skills will be different for the different type of HR groups over here. If you go for leadership, you will be having the leadership skill. Here you will be having only HR skill. Or it can be added with other skill called leadership skills. For the leadership skill, you have a manager role. So based on the different type of HR group, the skill role will be get changed. Okay. The next one we have tier 1 support, normal, basic group people they are. Tier 2 in the sense with more skills, it will be same basic, but with more skill, HR skill they are having. This one will have HR core admin one, manager role, with the HR. HR talent management will doesn't have any role or skill as of now in the out of the box. Why? Because in the sense, if you activate the onboarding and offboarding plugin, you could see some other role and the skill that is available over here. Okay. We will be coming back to this session again. Okay. This is like a VIP watch list. People with VIP watch list can be added over here. So these two we already seen. Just closing it up. HR roles. Now, how you will be finding your HR roles? Groups we completed. Now I have to go for the roles. How to find the HR role in a sense? Always keep your HR human resource core as application and then you create your role. So SN underscore HR will provide you all the basic roles of the HR. See? Okay. Now, you know about this HR admin basic and all other roles has been displayed over here. Now we are going to see about how to create the to say like HR HR with the, what to say, like group has a role, a particular role. Now, can you please go to that group roles table, everyone? So try to give some roles to the HR. I mean that this group has a role. That one. So which doesn't mean for a group you're trying to provide some rules, group-wise access and all. Now we are going to learn a new topic called HR client rules. Okay. So now I'm going to that particular table called HR group rules. This one. Okay. Table name. Client client role assignment. You see client role assignment rules. This is one of the topic we have to cover. So what this particular table will do, okay? That is what we are going to learn as of now. Okay. So here, why do we go for this one in the sense? Client role rules are set for users who do not have this HR roles. So they can access all other HR services. Okay. Who don't have any roles, but still they can access the HR services. Let us see one or two conditions. Here we created a condition along with the role. The condition is for the new hire and the role is called HRSP new hire. What is this condition and which table it is coming to? Okay. The condition what we have placed over here is new hire for the table of HR profile. If you want to add some other new profile to the HR profile, this is the condition. Employee type should be full-time or part-time or temporary. Employee start date after today. And the user column is users, whoever users join to this organization. This is the condition. And we are giving, providing a role called SNLP HR, HRSP underscore employee, a new role. Okay. It doesn't have any of the other subscription. It has only the HRSM employee, which means a new employee has been coming up. And for them, we are just giving with a module with role called self-service application. And they can access like my HR request, my HR cases and all they can able to order. list of records will be shown from this particular one. And the role is HRSM employee will be provided to them. And now if I go for employee, same condition as employee, okay? And here they are having same HRSM employee. Alumni in the sense people, those who are left to that organization, right? Here also employee type full-time, part-time, temporary employee, start date should be employee can be full-time, part-time, temporary, those who are there. Employee start date before today, employee end date before today, employee end date is not empty. In this condition, this user profile, those who are the user profiles that satisfy this condition will be working. And for them, we provided some roles that is called alumni rule. And they can also provide some of our HR things. Okay. Module with roles, they can access this particular module they can access. So like this, for all other client roles, client role in the sense contractor, contingents, whoever they are, you have to define the role. Those who are not part of any other, any other HR roles, they can access only HR services. Okay. And the next part we are going to see about our HR tier escalation rules. Escalating to one people to the other people. Okay. Escalation rules. Escalation rules are simple. From HR, if the support group for you is tier 1 support in the sense, if you click on escalate, then it will send an email and message to the tier 2 people. If it is already in tier 2 people in the sense, it will escalate it to tier 3 people. Like this, you can write your own escalation group from one group to the other group, just from one to group will be there. And escalation engine, which is running behind the system, it will take care about the escalations that needs to be run in our system if you escalate something like from one group to other group. Any questions still now? Guys?
I'm good, Parsi.
Okay, now the next topic we will be seeing about our HR companies. HR company, which is nothing but department,
Just one
location.
thing. So
Yeah.
when we escalate, where is that body? Like what type of the body should escalate?
Escalate is a button, okay? You
Okay.
click on that escalate, it will be automatically get escalated.
Okay. That button available on HR case, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Set up an individual department, like how to set up a department stuff, okay? Let us go to the department in the sense for HRSD. We don't have a separate department table and all, okay? Normal CMN underscore department, which is the out of the box department table only, okay? These are our different type of departments And our department is HR over here. Our department has Raman Amarol, and these are our HRSD user. All the users will be available. See, 23 users has been available over here. So these are the HR department people in our organization. Okay. Set up individual department records. For example, HR, IT, whatever department they belongs to. So now we can able to upload our department people through Excel, XML, whatever data they belong to. Okay. Okay, you have to create a transformer and we will be doing. Same ways for the location table also. Location table, you know how it will be looking and how this location table has been sets up in our thing. But for the HR thing, we have two other important table called positions and skills. Okay, let's move for the HR related stuff. One is position and another one is the skills. We have recruiter manager, HR manager, human resource, HR administrator, recruitment. We have this particular position and that will be belong to a any one of the HR profile or group of HR profile within your organization. HR positions are like it's just a position. Like for example, if you want to see how many people has a HR admin role, as admin you can go and see the roles in the backend. But for other people can come and check in this positions table alone. Okay. And the next one we will be having about our skills. Okay.
You mean only the
So
two users having the HR admin role from the HR department?
Huh?
You mean only those two users have the HR admin role?
Only the which user?
Two users which are showing in the HR profiles.
No, no. If you add some other people to that particular role, then they will be also appearing.
No, as
on
of now I'm asking.
As of now, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Position equal to HRSD admin. If this is filled up with that relevant one, then it will be appear in the position table. See, department, position. Okay. Manage HR skills. Skills play an important role in the HRSD space. Each and every person, see, they have 4 skills. They have 4 skills. They have 3 skills. Based on the skills only, many other tasks or many other things will be get assigned to the people. You can even create a new skill from the user. So once you select a user, you can assign, remove, or you can do whatever you need. Okay. So you can assign or remove or assign user skills from here. For that, you have to select a role and you can see. Try to add a new skill and you can check it out from over here actually. These are like HR people, those who are having different skills in the system. These people can handle this kind of benefits to other people, other generalists or other bodies in our organization. So setting up skills for the people who have them for the use of the auto routing in the HR cases. You can auto route them, like for the HR cases belong to them. For example, in some of the cases, you will be selecting only if the skill that a HR has, then only it will be kept. Then that HR tier person has to be kept assigned in the sense. Then that particular skill people only be get assigned to your HR. How to say, like HR tools. I mean HR cases. Any other questions? Guys, till time?
No questions, Varsi.
Okay. So in the next topic, I will be covering about HR email configurations and also the HR application configuration, like how to create a document template, how to create more specific HR criteria, properties, relationships and all. I will be covering. But I see very less participant today. I will stop over here today alone. But tomorrow we can continue with all other subtopics. Okay. I will check with other because another 6 candidate has to join. So let us stop it over here today alone. Tomorrow we can continue with more topics. Okay. After completing the HR document, first assignment, I will be providing it to you. Fine. Any other questions? Any other questions, people? No, right?
Like you
But
can
thanks for joining. Sorry?
you can cover it, right? Because we are having recordings, so that
Okay, no issues. So the next topic will be like HR notifications. Okay. So HR notifications, like you would have seen all your HR notifications. So in notifications also, it is always recommended to create your notification with the prefix of HR. Okay. HR case approval, HR cases opened by, closed by, all these are the out of the box HR feature. Okay. You could see all other HR features that is coming into way. And you have ultimately multiple templates. See, ESS general, case closure, and many things. You open HR case approval. These are like a normal notifications only. Okay. Not notifications will be like who will be receiving it, when to send, what it will contain.
Can we edit out of the box out of the box notification?
Don't do it. Instead of you can create the new one. Okay, always do anytime don't edit any kind of out of the box feature. What happens? The next upgrade it will come and check the same society. And whatever changes you did, it will be change those things actually.
Okay,
To
how we know
the
that out of the box feature or not, whether it is?
usually if you go and see your created option, created by updated by it will be like update system or admin the name. See?
Okay, if it is admin, it is out of the box, right?
Sometimes it will be admin, sometimes it will be system, sometimes will be by glide maintain. So if you see these kind of names, then that is done by
Yes,
our system.
SNC admin also something.
Yeah. If you see those kind of names, then those are the things which have been
Better to if you don't wanted to use this, right? You wanted to some modification on the same thing. Better to deactivate this and create a new with the same conditions, right? And whatever the additional customization required.
yeah. Better
That
not to touch
for
any of the
that will help for the upgrade and cloning kind of things, right?
Yeah, got it.
because what it happens. So the global update set. So every time we used to do some of the updates, it's only covered this in the map. Okay? It will be get updated in the upgrades to the society and it will check every other things to be get upgraded. So that's the reason. So in our HR things, if you see, all the things will go on set on our HR resources. Okay, the category and the table, normal table wise you can go. No table level changes you could see. Only the HR cases, HR case tables, or to the HR particular case table also, you can create some of this. Now HR case open for HR case open for. See the notification ones. Simple notification only. See. So during insert this is happening, transfer from this not is empty, active is true, universal request is empty. But what it will contain, it is containing from our email template called ESS called general. You know about email template, right? How to create an email template. Guys,
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
it's in the HTML format. You have to create some email templates. And what are the notifications that map to the template? Never change any kind of template without seeing this particular below table option. Okay. If it is attached to multiple table in the sense, you shouldn't even touch that one. Better go and create a new template and map it with the other things. And the next and the foremost thing is like we seen about the normal HR only. So whenever you created a HR notification also, try to give a prefix as HR. And the email templates also. Same way we have email scripts. Email scripts we people used to create. In that also you should create with the prefix of HR. notification email scripts. You search for HR as prefix, you could get all your this one. All these are email scripts. You know, right, how this will be getting incorporated in the system?
Yes.
Just you have to call with dollar, that script name, mail script name you have to give, and mail script colon if you give, the scripts will be working. But you should have to follow the same criteria. Always try to create with this HR underscore. Okay. These are some of the things what your architect will ask you to do if you do something with your HR related stuff, to make some differences over here and there. See, these are some of the out of the box function which you will be doing in ITSM. So that's the reason I didn't show any kind of practicals over here. Otherwise, we can see some practical and we can create something over here. Okay. You know about HR criteria, correct? We see about HR criteria. Next, we are going to see about HR relations. Okay. HR relations table. Relationships. Okay. So here we just having a normal human related dependence. Okay. Like son, whatever relationship we have. And we have this one called dependent criteria also to be followed. For example, if you see child is dependent, yeah, true. Here, domestic partner, dependent, yes, true. Legal what, dependent, true. Spouse, stepchildren, or the dependents. So the relationship, what can be the dependent with our primary people will be here with the relationship and their dependency. Based on this relationship only in the HR profile table, we are creating the relationships. So if you want to add more relationship in the over here, you have to come and add some relationship to this table. Okay. Even though for the visa processing, some of the benefits and some of the, what is this, like this policies and all you're using, right? All these things will will take the value on the dependency from this table alone. Okay. So this is also called relationship table within the HR module. Any questions on this HR relationship table? Tomorrow, a very important one we will be seeing, that is like onboarding, offboarding one, along with the DocuSign and document template, how to create a document template within the HRSD. Creating a document template is very, very important in HRSD, because using the template only, you will be creating some certifications, some DocuSign documents, onboarding documents, rewards point documents, everything, most of the things you will be creating from your HR documents only. So HR document templates and HR documents, how to create a new one, assign it, collection, all these things. See, and for the what is the name format you're going to have. All these type of different documents you will be seeing and creating those templates also in the HR documents. How to create a body, what is the header, footer, how to insert the date, how to insert the signature within that document. All these important structures you will be seeing in the HR documents. Okay. This is very important because you will be adding this document with the new hire formats, existing formats, how to create the document templates for the certifications, what you provided in your organization. From here only you will be creating that document template, in which format you need the document template and all, you will be seeing in the session. So better not miss tomorrow's session. Very, very important document sessions will be taken to you. And another important one we will be seeing about today over here is about the new hire. I'm going for the ITSM module as of now. And there are something called human resource catalog and you have service catalogs. New hire I have. But this is the order guide. Okay? Before the HR things comes up, we will be doing our new hire service catalog through this new hire only. So click on try it. The HR people will come and do their new hire process in this particular catalog item. This is like who is your hiring manager? What group is the person joining through? Which group in your organization? IET, what department? Let's put HR. They will be working in remote or not? Which office they will return to? Will your employee need anything non-standard? Yes or no option you have to choose. Once I choose option, click on choose option. See whether you're going to give the standard laptop, monitor, what you're going to provide, and what are the other additional softwares they may need. Next tab. Where it is going to be monitored. Create a new email address preferred to them. You have to put their email address. This is the new email address you're going to create the drive. Corporate VPN account will be added to that. And desktop will come in desk setup will come. Office chair, phone, power station, talking system will be. We check it. So these are the things I added to the drive. And I will be checking out. So this request will be created and the respective teams will be taken care. These teams, all these are separate catalog item, and through this thing they will be having our new hire setup. But in HRSD, we have a separate plugin to do it as a both on plugins. Research for onboarding. This is the enterprise onboarding and transition. So try to activate this plugin for tomorrow's one. We can see how in the HR, within this HR module, within this HR application, you will be doing your onboarding process. Okay. And I will tell you what are the pros and cons we have towards our IT system and towards our HR system. Okay, team, just try to insert this plugin and we can meet tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. All right.
Process Shiva here.
Hmm?
So please share the previous class recordings with me.
Yeah, we will.
I'll go. Shiva.
Okay. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.